Hi everyone, this is a Kasp 14040 and it's still in the packet as you can see, so I'm going to attempt an out of the packet pick with it. It's a nearly 40mm lock. It's one of these kind of American 1100 series clones. Let's get it out of the packet. Now historically I've not done too well with these types of locks. I've tried the American locks and the Squire clones. They have been a challenge for me, so that keyway looks pretty familiar. Let's give it a try anyway. So open side tension, I'm going to use a slender short hook. And light tension seems to be the preferred method with these. Not sure if you can see that. Get that light in a bit better. Okay, let's set a couple of pins at the back. Feels like a full set, maybe. Tricky when you don't know the lock. Try a slightly different hook. Yeah, that's a bit better. There you go. Not quite sure what was the last pin there. It needs a little bit more of a turn to actually pop it open. So that's the Kasp 14040 picked out of the packet. Thanks for watching.